They get dressed, undressed in front of us.
Are you done?
It's a spirit. That comes in you and fills your body. And the spirit's desire is to that lady. And you submitting to that spirit to do that. So I would say from a spiritual eye, it's to do rape, it's to accepting a spirit in you and to fulfilling the desire of the spirit.
Meanwhile,
First thing, we weren't born rapists. As experiences that we pick up. As I said in the past, we grew up as a family of 9. Girls and boys slept in one room. They get dressed, undressed in front of us. That's the first points of nakedness in our families. So there's no separate rooms. So it's very big challenges we dealing with here. Do you understand? So from there, it's video films, like blue films, and magazines, like Scopes and there's porn magazines. That also that we start to read, and that's small things started to trigger us. It's almost like the weather. It don't just rain out of its own. The wind first blows. It builds up clouds, lightning. Now the rain comes. It's the same like us. Do you understand? We first get this experience. We pick up certain games we play. Do you understand? But it looks so it's onskuldig.
Innocent.
It looks so innocent. Do you understand? I see a sunchi and that. You understand? That's at small things that we reprogram in our minds. And as we grow up and we come to a certain situation, then this stuff reflects to us. But here's it. Do you understand? Now we get this knowledge of what we experienced in the future. Now we picking all these things up. So that's actually and our family also. You understand? They're illiterate. They're not educated. And we look also into the system of their government. This group areas, shifting us here, shifting us there. You understand? We're talking about develop. Kids must develop. They must know the environment. But if things like that happen, you're spoiling that whole child's future.